Paisley's been sitting there for about 10 minutes and not moving. She's wearing an old racerback tank top instead of the collar. The vet said they're more comfortable. So as long as she tolerates this tank top, I won't need to put her in a collar. Hey, Paisley? Good girl. I got her a new mat for her house, so she went in to investigate and then stopped. Hey? What's up, Paisley? Good girl.